Good morning, Joe's RV and Fishing Channel. Got breakfast, had coffee this morning. I'm cooking. I'm getting ready to go fishing today. My boat motor is finally broke in. It made it 10 hours a couple days ago. I finally put 50 to 1 gas in it yesterday, and that's what y'all seen me doing. Everything went well, so I'm glad for that one. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video. Like and subscribe to my channel. Like all my other videos. Go back and watch them. But yeah, fishing today finally. Yesterday the wind was blowing so daggum hard it was crazy, and the day before that it was, and today it's going to be warm and no wind, so we're going to do some fishing today. But yes, follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. All my profiles are the same as here on YouTube. Profile picture, I mean. Had another one of them rough nights with crazy dreams. Doing this, you can get lonely at times, let's just say that. So, y'all see Katie in the background back there, smelling something she ain't got no business doing. Gonna get her some sunshine this morning. And you got Miss Wuss on the steps over here, the leader of the pack, the little one. I call her Miss Wuss. Yep. So, fishing. I don't know what that was about. Probably an email or something. I don't know. Let me check it. Oh, Lord. Y'all probably thinking, what is this big old finger doing in the way? Oh, I didn't want to zoom in on y'all. Crap. I don't know how you do this on camera. Oh, well. You can wait till later. But yeah, go fishing. Hopefully we're going to catch something today. I'm ready. That day I decided I was going to go to that other lake up the road from here. The wind decided to kick like all get out, so we didn't do that. I'm going to still get up there though. I'm not in no rush really, because there's a lake right out there. I can go fishing if I want to. I don't have to go up there. I have a little spot I want to go to today on this lake and try it out. It just looks wonderful. Well, folks, I'm going to get over here and I'm going to finish this food. I know it wasn't nothing exciting, and most of y'all done probably trailed off by now, but that'll be okay. It is what it is, and ain't nothing fancy over here, so. Okay, well, this is going to do this morning's cooking video. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notification. Do all the little gizmos there. And let's get out and get it. And I'll see y'all on the water. Good morning. Peace out.